Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. We're in the great outdoors again, and this time we are in the far west, here in this area called Lakeside. Yes, I'm in front of this huge lake in Jurong. It feels so good to be out here in the open and breathing properly. How are we all doing? Standing near or surrounded by some banyans. I'm going to be painting that one over there. So, without further ado, let's get to it. And then maybe later, we'll hop on by over to the Passion Wave, the newly built Passion Wave, to attend a course on how to make inks with plants. The plants that you can find here in the park. So, let's get going. Right, places to go, things to do. Let's do it. A banyan is a type of fig plant that grows on another tree. Another word for this is an epiphyte, when its seed germinates in a crack or crevice of a host tree. Banyan is a national tree of India. The leaves of the banyan are large, leathery, glossy green and elliptical. Young leaves have an attractive reddish tinge. Older banyan trees are characterized by their aerial prop roots that mature into thick, woody trunks. It is time for me to check into the Make Ink with Plants workshop by Wild Dot. The two instructors running the workshop today are Shireen and Liz. I'll leave their IG account on the description box so that you can follow them. Thanks to Yvonne also from my table, who documented some of the footages you see in this episode. a knowledgeable workshop learning about sustainability and trying to figure out if this might work in what I do as an artist. The main draw for using plants to make inks does a lot less harm to the environment, but the rawness of the ingredients is not permanent. So for professionals, paints with good light fastness or how it doesn't fade due to light exposure or aging is very important. And all good pigments have some form of chemicals in them. So for now, I won't be using these raw materials for my commissions. Also, making these take a long time. What you see in this episode are plants that can create color the quickest. Shireen and Liz were saying that it can take up to months to ferment some plants to be able to extract their color. What are your thoughts about sustainability in art? Do share with them in the comment section below. The following sequence shows Senior Minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam interviewing me. Enjoy this one.
You're an artist.
Yes, I am.
I see. That's interesting. You make a living as an artist?
Yes, it's full time.
Are you on your own and freelancing or what?
I am on my own, yes. So these are just some of my students at LaSalle.
Are you still teaching at LaSalle?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. You use this pen, do you? Or what is it?
I used a fountain pen.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Interesting.
with regular ink.
Right. That's interesting.
So will you be trying those?
I will, yeah. I
when
will.
you stabilizes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah.
Where were you trained, by the way?
I was in design, also in animation. Design was in California, animation was here locally, and then finally when I went, I'm an oil painter now. I went to Italy, Florence, to learn the craft of traditional oil painting. Yes.
Fantastic. Where do you live?
South, Colobanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And what is this for? Sorry.
Oh, I document my process.
Okay.
Yeah, anything art, I document and then I put it up on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Alvin Mark.
Mark.
Yeah.
This is Alvin Mark. I hope you enjoyed this one, especially if you're both an artist and a fan of nature. Do yourself a favor if you haven't subscribed to the channel by doing so. See you all in the next episode. Until the next one, ciao ciao.